Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a frustrating issue that a lot of Windows 11 users are dealing with right now. KB5053656 or KB5054979 update, not installing on version 24H2. If your update keeps failing, getting stuck during installation, or showing strange error codes, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. And more importantly, there are several ways to fix it. I'm going to walk you through a full list of solutions, starting from the simplest steps and moving into more advanced ones. So stick with me, try these in order, and hopefully we'll have your system updated by the end of this video. Let's get right into it. The first thing you need to do is restart your PC. I know it sounds basic, but sometimes a pending restart is all it takes to complete an update that's stuck in the background. After the reboot, go back to Windows Update and try again. Still not working? No worries. Let's move to Method to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start button and go to Settings, then scroll down to System and select Troubleshoot. Now click Other Troubleshooters, and from the list, find Windows Update and click on it. This tool checks for broken services, stuck files, and common issues. Let it finish, then restart your system and try installing the update again. If that doesn't fix it, let's move on to Method 3. Clear the Windows Update cache manually. To do this, press the Windows key and type Services, then hit Enter. Find Windows Update in the list, right-click it, and click Stop. Leave that window open. Next, press Windows plus R, type in C Windows Software Distribution, and press Enter. In this folder, delete everything you can inside. Don't worry, this won't hurt your system. It just removes temporary update files. Once it's clean, go back to the Services window, right-click Windows Update, and choose Start. Now try checking for updates again. If it won't install, let's step it up. Method 4 is to use the Microsoft Update Catalog to manually install the update. Go to your browser and search for Microsoft Update Catalog. Open the link that says catalog.update.microsoft.com. Now in the search bar, type KB5053656 or KB5054979, depending on which one is failing for you. Make sure to choose the correct version, Windows 11 24H2, and whether you're using 64-bit or ARM. Download the standalone update package, then double-click the file and follow the prompts to install it manually. Restart your PC afterward. If you're still stuck, let's jump into Method 5, run the System File Checker and DISM tools. Search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. Now type the following command, SFC/scan now. Then press Enter, let it complete. It might take a few minutes. After that, type this command, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Again, press Enter and wait for it to finish. This process can take 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your system. Once done, close Command Prompt, restart your computer, and try the update one more time. Still no luck. Let's go for Method 6. Install the update through the Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Go to Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant and download the tool. Run the tool and it will scan your system and install the latest version of Windows 11, including all recent updates, without deleting your files or apps. This can take some time, so make sure your laptop is plugged in and you've saved your work. If that still doesn't solve the problem, Method 7 is to temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall software. Some third-party antivirus tools are known to interfere with Windows updates. Disable them just while the update is installing, then turn them back on once it's done. Alright, if none of that worked and you're still having trouble, it might be worth waiting a few days. Sometimes Microsoft pulls problematic updates and reissues a more stable version. Also, make sure you're not on a metered connection or using limited data mode. Go to Settings, Network and Internet and check that your Wi-Fi or Ethernet isn't marked as metered. Another thing to check, especially if you're on a laptop, is your power settings. Believe it or not, Windows sometimes delays big updates when your device is in battery saver mode. Go to Settings, System, Power, and Battery. If battery saver is turned on, try plugging your laptop into power and turning that feature off. Then head back to Windows Update and give it another shot. Still no success? Okay, try this. Remove any unnecessary USB devices like printers, external drives, or even game controllers. It sounds strange, but sometimes hardware conflicts can block an update from installing properly. Also, if you're using any VPN software, go ahead and disconnect it for now. VPNs can interfere with Windows Update servers, especially if they are routing through different regions or blocking Microsoft domains. One last bonus method, create a new user account and try updating from there. Sometimes user profile issues can block updates, and a clean user profile can bypass the problem entirely. To do that, go to Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users and add a new local account. Log in with the new user, open Windows Update, and try again. Alright, that wraps up our list of fixes. I know it's a lot, but most users find success by trying 2 or 3 of these methods in a row. Let me know in the comments which one worked for you, or if you're still stuck, I will try to reply and help out. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips, fixes, and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.